These 5 free AI tools will literally do your work for you, writing, editing, and even removing image backgrounds. And trust me, nobody's talking about number 3. Tool 1, ChatGPT Writing and Research Assistant. ChatGPT, your all-in-one assistant for writing, research, and instant answers. From emails to essays to business ideas, it's like Google and a copywriter had a baby. Just type your prompt and boom, done. Tool 2, OpusClip, Video Repurposing. OpusClip, want viral shorts from your long videos? This tool does it automatically. Captions, zoom cuts, even auto highlights, all with a single click. Tool 3, QuillBot, Paraphrasing and Rewriting. QuillBot, Rewriting Made Smart. Whether you're rephrasing emails, improving tone, or writing like a pro, QuillBot takes your text and transforms it instantly. Great for students, freelancers, and content creators. Tool 4, Pictory, AI Video Creator. Pictory, turn your script or blog post into a full video with voiceover, stock footage, and music. Perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or educational content, no editing experience needed. Tool 5, Remove.bg, AI Background Remover. Remove.bg, instantly remove backgrounds from any photo. Product photos, thumbnails, profile pics. Upload, and let AI do the magic, no Photoshop required. These AI tools are saving hours and making work easy, for free. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free AI shortcuts.